So welcome you all to the next video lecture in data structure, that is searching an element in doubly linked list. Okay, so what is searching? Searching is we are going to find out the specific element is present in the linked list or not. If the data is or element is present in the linked list, means your element is found in this corresponding position. That should be displayed to the user. Okay, if you are going to search other than any element present in the given linked list, means your element is not present in the given linked list. Okay, that is our main motto for searching an element in the doubly linked list. Okay, so searching is performed in order to find the location of a particular element in the list. Okay, in doubly linked list as well as singly linked list, so each and every element should be in the sequential order. Sequential order means it should be in the based on the index position, like act as an 1 2 3 4, that we call as an sequential orders. Okay, if you're going to search a particular element present in the linked list, means we have to travels visit the first node and move to the second node and third one and fourth one, and then like this goes on until you are going to find out the specified element present in the given linked list or not. Okay, that is location of a particular element in the list. And then searching an element in the list needs traversing through the list and makes the comparison of every element of the list with the specified element. So what the meaning says, so I'm having a 5 different types of node present in the given linked list. Take an example: 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, the a temporary pointer, okay, point to the first node in the given linked list. Okay, it going to traverse with your corresponding search elements. My search element is 55, means it going to search the first element 11 equal to 55, condition false, and move to the next node. Like this goes on until reaches the your corresponding position, that we call as an comparison of every element of the list with the specified element means that is your searching element. Okay, and then if the element is matched with any of the element list, then the location of the element is returned from the function. So what the meaning says, if my position is 5th position, my element is 55, means your element is found at the position 5. It's going to print like this, that is the location of the element is returned from the function. Location is a specified position, is going to print to the users or programmers. Okay, take an example: search an element. I'm having 3 nodes. Okay, node 1, node 2, node 3. In each node having a unique address, that is 100, 200, 300, and element is 10, 20, 30. Okay, the first node previous field represents null, and the last node next field represents null. This is called as an starting node, this is called as ending node. Okay, so I'm going to search an element 30. Okay, your search element is 30. My head pointer pointing to the first node of the given linked list. Okay, they're going to identify the corresponding data. Data is nothing but value with your specified value. Specified value is 30, that is search element. 10 equal to 30, condition false. Then temporary pointer moves to the second node, and then 20 equal to 30, condition false. Okay, temporary pointer moves to the next node, and 30 equal to 30, condition true or false, condition true. Your search element is found in the location 3, that is location 3. Like that, going to print to the users. Okay, if you're going to search 40, means they're going to search the first element, second element, third element until what are the element present in the given linked list. If not found, means your element is not found in the corresponding location, going to print to the users or programmers. Okay, have you understand? Here we're going to see the pictorial representation, how you have to find out a certain element present in the given linked list or not. Okay, so I'm having a return type is a void. Search is a function name. I'm going to search a certain element. Element is search element, that I'm going to represent VIL. Okay, return type is called as an integer. And then struct to node start temp equal to head. Alright, struct is a keyword, node is a tag name, start temp is called as a pointer variable. This pointer variable going to assign a temporary pointer. Okay, temp is nothing but an address. Alright, start temp equal to head. Alright, head is nothing but maybe 100, 200, 300, anything else pointing to first node given linked list. Okay, later we have to see this concept. And then I'm going to define the position value equal to 1 flag. Alright, if head equal to null, what the first condition says, if head pointer equal to null. Okay, that is null means there is no element present in the given linked list is empty. Okay, they're going to print list is empty, you cannot search element from the list. Alright, if there is any element is present in the given list only, we can able to search your corresponding element either present in the list or not. Okay, the first condition is if head pointer equal to null means the node is empty. Alright, the first scenario. And the second condition in searching an element in the given linked list is, take an example, we are having 4 nodes present in the given linked list, so we are going to search any element is present in the given linked list or not. Okay, the first element is 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, because this is the first node previous field occupies null and the last node next field occupies null. Okay, because this is the first node, this is last node. Alright, so my aim is to find the certain element present in the given linked list or not. Okay, how can I able to identify whether the element is present in the given linked list or not? So take an example, so value equal to 40. Value is my search element is equal to 40. Okay, they are going to find the first element, second element, third element, reaches the final destination of the given element. Okay, how can I able to identify? Okay, if condition, we have to check whether the list is empty or not. That is, head pointer equal to null means the list is empty, you cannot be able to search any element present in the given linked list. Okay, and second condition, if there is an existing element present in the given linked list, existing means they are having 4 elements, that is 4 nodes present in the given linked list. That time, so what you have to do? Okay, while temp not equal to null. Okay, before itself the head pointer pointing to the first node of the given linked list. Same thing already denoted temp equal head. What is the value of temp equal to head? What is the value of temp? That is head also 1000. Okay, so temp equal to 1000. So automatically it going to temp also pointing to the first node in a given linked list, because temporary pointer does not move from one node to another node. If it moves from this node means the connection is terminated here. Okay, the temporary pointer can able to move from one location to another location and reaches your exact final destination. That is called as a search element, is present or not. Okay, that is useful for temporary pointer. Okay, you can able to create PTR, anything else, that is use a different variable. So while temp not equal to null, what is temp? Temp is nothing but 1000. Alright, so temp is 1000. Okay, temp equal to 1000, temp not equal to null, condition true or false? Condition true, because some elements present in the list. If temp of data equal to value, what is temp of data? Temp is 1000 of data. 1000 of data is nothing but that is your 10. Okay, here I'm going to mention, so 10 equal to temp of data is 10, equal value is your search element is 40. So condition true or false? Condition fails, it never executed if condition, goes to the else part. Okay, this is else part. So until okay, this is while loop condition, until it's a while loop condition. Alright, that is else part. Okay, so after that else flag equal to 1, already initialize flag equal to 0 in the before scenario. Alright, during the program, and then flag equal to 1. Okay, what the value of flag equal to 1 means? It never here executed. Okay, that is flag equal to 1, and then later temp equal temp of next. Okay, this is very important one. How can I able to move from one pointer to another point, that is one node to another node, means display an important key role. Temp of next, what is temp? 1000. 1000 of next is, that is temp equal to 1000. 1000 of next, it going to point to the this node, that is 2000. Here they are going to represent here as 2000. Okay, so what is the value of temp now? 2000. So automatically here temp value is assigned to this location. Okay, have understand? And then automatically a connection is terminated from the first link to first link, and then connection is created from first, that is temporary pointer, to the second node of the given linked list, because temp equal 2000. Okay, have understand? And then position plus plus should be incremented. What is the value of position? Position equal to 0. Okay, it's already defined in the program, that is flag also flag position equal to 1. Okay, so later here position is 1 means here position is 2. Alright, understand? Here position is 2, and then later again they're going to check the while loop condition. So what is the value of temp? Temp is 2000. Okay, here temp is 2000. 2000 not equal to null. Condition true or false? Condition true. It enter inside the while loop condition. Now what is temp of data? Temp of data is 20. Alright, here temp of data is 20, that is 20 equal to false. Condition true or false? Condition fails, it never executed. Again they go into else part, flag equal to 1. Alright, the initial flag is 0. Okay, in the before initial condition, that is flag equal to 1, and then temp equal temp of next. What is temp? Temp is 2000. 2000 of next is 2000 of next. 2000 of next is 3000. So automatically here temp should be changed into 3000. Okay, if temp equal 3000 means here temp should be point to the 3000, and this connection is terminated from the second node and make a connection to the third node, because temp equal 3000. Alright, and the later position plus plus. What is the before value of position? Position is before value is 2. Now it should be changed into 3. Alright, and then come out of the, again they're going to check the condition, while loop condition. What is the value of temp? Temp is 3000. Okay, here temp is 3000. 3000 not equal null. Condition true or false? Condition true. And then 3000, that is temp of data. If temp of data equal to value, what is temp of data? This is temp. Temp is 3000. 3000 of data is 30. Okay, here here 30 equal to 40. Okay, value is your search value. 30 equal to 40. Condition true or false? Condition fails. Condition fails, come out of the if condition and go to the else part. Else equal to else part, flag equal to 1. Okay, and then later temp equal temp of next. Okay, temporary point move to the next position. So how can I able to move? So what is the value of temp? Temp is 3000. 3000 of next. 3000 of next is point to the this node. Okay, automatically temp of next is 4000. Okay, here the data should be changed. Temp is 4000. Okay, temp equal to 4000 means it point to the 4000 node. It point to the 4000 node, and the connection is terminated from the third node to third node. It moves to the fourth node. Okay, what is the value of temp? Temp is 4000, and then position plus plus. What is the value of position? Before 3, and then should be incremented into fourth position. Okay, have understand? And then what is the value of temp now? That is temp is now temp is 4000. Okay, the value of temp is 4000. 4000 not equal to null. Okay, condition true or false? Condition true, it enter inside the while loop condition. If temp of data, what is temp of data? Temp of data is nothing but 40. Alright, temp of data is here 40. So 40 equal to 40. Condition true or false? Condition here true, satisfied, and then printf element percentage %d is present at the position percentage %d. This is percentage %d is nothing but value. What is the value? My search element. Search element is 40. Okay, and then what is the position? Okay, what is the position here? Fourth position. Alright, the element percentage refers to value, that is element 40 is present at the position percentage number 4. Okay, the element present 40 is at which position? Fourth position. I'm getting output. Okay, and the later flag equal to 0. Okay, what is the flag value? Flag equal to 0 means I'm going to assign a certain values. Alright, I'm going to assign a certain value, flag equal to 0, and then it never execute this condition, and then never execute the condition, come out of the loop. Okay, have understand? So how can able to search an element present in the given linked list or not. Okay, this is the proper way to search an element is present in the given links or not. Alright, so another possibility is if you are going to search an element 50 is present in the given list or not. So how can you able to search? Alright, here we are going to see how can you able to search. Alright, that is, so 1 second. My search element is 50 is present in the given list or not. So how can I able to search a certain element is present in the given list or not. Alright, so they having a certain possibilities. Okay, this is the scenario, and then temp point to the first node then given list. For the first node, that is 1000. Okay, first node in the given list, it should be point to the first node in the given, because temp equal head. So my aim is to find out the certain element, that is 50 is present in the list or not. Alright, 50 or not. 50 is your search element. You have to check whether the element is present in the given linked list. It's not present in the given linked list. How can I able to search it? Alright, from starting position else part. While temp not equal to null. What is temp? Temp is 1000. Alright, 1000 not equal to null. Condition true or false? Condition fails. Okay, and then what are the value of temp of data? Temp of data is 10. Okay, 10 equal to 40. Condition fails. Condition fails means going to else part, flag equal to 1, and then pointer moves to next node. How can able to move the next node? Temp of next. Temp of next is 2000. Here that is 2000. Alright, and the position, initial position is 1, it should be changed into 2, and then here the value should be, the temporary pointer should be 2000. Okay, here they are going to assign 2000. Automatically connection is terminated from the first node. Alright, moves to the second node of the given linked list. Alright, what is the second node? That is 2000. Again we are going to check the condition. What is the temp now? Temp is 2000. Okay, temp is now 2000. 2000 not equal to null. Condition true or false? Condition true. It enter inside the while loop, and then temp of data is 20. Okay, the search element, is 50, because 50 only we are going to search. That is, here we are going to search the, and then temp of data is 20 equal to 50, condition true or false, condition fails, and go to the else part, flag equal to 1, and then temp equal temp of next, temp is 2000 of next is 3000. Okay, here temp should be changed 2000 into 3000. Okay, I understand. And then I should be, pointer should be incremented, that is position should be incremented 2 into 3. Alright, so what is the value of temp now? Temp is 3000. Okay, it's going to point to this location. Alright, and then the connection is terminated from the second node and pointing to the third node of the given linked list. Okay, and then what is the value of temp is 3000, and the pointer should be incremented into, that is position should be incremented 3, and then while temp, what is the value of temp? Temp is now, that is 3000. Okay, 3000 not equal null, condition true or false, condition true, enter inside the while loop, and then temp of data, what is temp of data? Temp is 3000 of data is 30. Okay, 30 equal to 50, condition true or false, condition fails. Okay, so condition fails means it never executed, and moves to the flag equal to 1, and then temp equal temp of next, move to the next pointer. How can I able to move the next pointer? Temp of next, what is temp of next? Temp is 3000 of next is 4000. Okay, here it should be changed into 4000. Okay, and then position should be incremented into 3 into 4. Alright, understand? Position equal to 4, and then later this temp should be changed, that is 4000. Okay, because temp equal temp of next 4000, temp should be point to the third node to fourth node, and then this connection is terminated from the third node, and it points to the fourth node in the given linked list. Okay, and then what is the value of temp now? Temp is 4000. Okay, 4000 not equal null, condition true or false, condition true, enter inside the loop, and then temp of data, what is temp of data? 4000 of data is 40. Okay, 40 equal to 50, condition true or false, condition fails, it never executed, and goes to else part, and then flag equal to 1. Okay, could you able to understand? And then temp should be incremented, temp equal temp of next, what is temp? 4000 of next, what is 4000 of next? 4000 of next here is null. 4000 of next here is null. Okay, and then position should be incremented into 5, and then what is the value of temp now? Temp is null. Null means it never ever pointing any location in the given linked list. Okay, that is temp also pointing to null, it never point to any location in the given linked list. Alright, and then again we go and check the condition. Okay, what is the value of temp now? Now temp is null, temp is null, null equal to null, condition true or false, condition true, it never executed the statement, Okay, it never executes the statement come out of the loop. Okay, what are the things we have to know? The before condition, flag value should be 1 and then position should be 5, temp equal to none. Okay, this is while, if part and else part. Okay, after that, if the none other element is present in the list means we have to check the another if condition, if flag equal to 1. Okay, here already find out the flag value. Okay, what the flag value? The flag value is 1. Okay, the flag value is 1, so equal to 1. Condition true or false? Condition true. Okay, the element, your search element is 50. Okay, I am going to search element is 50. The search element is, the element 50 is not found in the list, that is value. What is the value entered? So you enter the value as 50. Okay, that is 50. Okay, not found in the given linked list. Okay, this is the way we have to find whether your element is present in the doubly linked list or not. Okay, have you understand the searching operation in doubly linked list? So thank you for watching this.